I was going to the bathroom in her bathroom and she had a condom wrapper in her trash. Who was it, Adelia?
It was... Hello world and welcome back to another
exciting vlog!
Okay.
Anyways, thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing, all that jazz. Please go follow this dweeb and that dweeb.
Yeah, it's my new single.
Are you done?
I guess, sorry,
Can
I'm a little hyper.
Can I intro now?
Yeah, yes please, go ahead.
Guys, bowling alleys are open. Gym is open.
One-
My DMs are open.
Anyways, I can never get through a freaking intro when I'm with you guys, so just please watch this vlog. Okay, bye. Guys, I'm leaving today to go on a week-long trip with my friend Lauren. We're going to the Bahamas. The Bahamas, bro. The Bahamas. I've never been to the Bahamas, and I'm so excited. And she said I'm gonna love it. I might cry. I might cry when I get there. And I literally can't open my eyes because I just woke up and it's like 8 a.m. And Lyra's taking me to the airport. I told her I'd get her coffee if she took me all the way to the airport. So she's like, okay. So I'm like, okay. Let's put our cute airport fit on. We are all ready. Yes. Watch out, everybody. I'm coming. Doop, 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 doop. Whee! I'm on my way to the airport, and she's taking me. How do you feel? Thanks for taking me.
If we break down on the side of the road, it's your fault.
It's okay. Her car's broken right now, and she's still taking me. Whee! Whee!
Airways Flight 55 was driven to Kamal, Bahamas.
Vlogging. Whee!
Funny time, right?
Yes! Finally!
Next day.
We are sitting by the pool, just chilling. Is this appropriate for YouTube? Look at the pretty pool. Literally in heaven, you guys. I'm sorry I'm rubbing it in everyone's face. Look, Mom, I'm a jellyfish.
Much later.
Can we just talk about the fact that I'm so burnt? I was outside all day. I was right over there. We were out there since 10:30 a.m. to 5. Yep. And we have like 2 or 3 more days here. It's been great. Very, very relaxing, you guys. Sometimes you need to go on a little vacation, get out of wherever you live, and pack your bags and go. I never want to leave. The water is so clear, you can see fishies just swimming around your legs and your feet in the ocean. It's so pretty. Like, things like this exist, and it's so crazy to me. Traveling makes you just appreciate so much. You know what I mean? Look at this incredible view. Look at this incredible human. La la. It's storming up the booty hole. Whoa, that was insane.
One eternity later.
Oh man.
Sorry if I crush your
Balls? Yeah, just sit right on them.
When I went to the Bahamas, I told you about the guy that noticed me and you from YouTube. If you're watching my video right now, I just want to say thank you. And I walked away and I almost cried.
Bro,
and
she
then
texted me. She's like, I just met this guy in the Bahamas and he said he watches our videos and just like, it makes me want to cry.
It was super cute and it was so random.
That's the impact of videos, man. You can touch people around the whole world and inspire people. That's why I love making them. So put out some fucking vlogs, you lazy ass piece of shit.
I'm kind of guilty of that. So
This is, what do you think I'm doing right now?
You can say
That's on
Yo guys, I was going to the bathroom in her bathroom and she had a condom wrapper in her trash. Who was it, Adelia?
It was. I got a TV, 65 inches. Ha 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 ha. Do you have 65 inches? Because I do.
That'd be a medical condition. Do you know what that looks like? That looks like this. Stop, I want to talk to you for a second. Hey, let me holler at you, so don't mind this. It's just, you're really pretty and I'm a little excited. Hey,
I just dropped a monster in that toilet.
that's a
For real? Ew, Mark.
God.
That smells so bad. Mark just shit in my bathroom.
You like couldn't make it to the bathroom.
Well, it's because you put it in my dumper and I couldn't control my bowel.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that. He's literally borrowing my clothes, guys.
How do you have a shirt that fits me? Oh, I forgot girls' buttons are on the other fucking side, dude.
right.
Oh, they are?
Why did
Why do they do that?
I don't know. I'm not.
It's so weird.
I'm not used to the other side, so I wouldn't know.
I know my lingo. What's up? I want to break this.
Dude, that looks really cool.
Thank you. Oh, oh. No, I knew that.
Me?
Yeah. Okay, now he's trying this t-shirt on. Don't ruin it. I like this shirt. I wear it a lot
But,
too.
I mean, if I'm-
Look at that, you fit in my clothes.
Hey guys, look, I'm Adelia.
Who's that?
2,000 years later.
We're just gonna go shopping today, and I will let you know what we get. So, my fit for today. Sporty, yes, 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 yes. Okay, let's go.
2 hours later.
I got this little plant holder. Cute. Love it. What else did I get? I got some candles. Candle number 1, candle number 2. They smell like boy. Also, I set my TV up. It's so pretty. I'm watching That's So Raven. I burnt my chin. Now I have a little scab on my chin. I look beat.
Okay.
Thank you guys so much for watching my videos, liking, subscribing, all that jazz. I get better at posting, I promise. It's just hard sometimes, you know. Okay, well, I'm gonna go. Love you guys so much. Okay, bye.